Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and continue editing our product options. We're going to add some color swatches, and this is not in the documentation, but it's a fairly quick and easy edit for us to do to customize this and make this look a lot better. So as we can see right now, these are our two product options, and the first being color and the second being size. And right now it's just basic. You can tell when it's clicked because when we open the product options, which is here, and I'm going to go ahead and close out the remainder of the previous files we were working with. And I'm just going to go ahead and open the product options. And what we can see here is the ternary conditional line that is basically saying that if the box is checked, if the value box is checked, or one of the options box is checked, and that is true, then we're going to go ahead and have background basically black and the text be white, which is what we're seeing here. And if not, then the text is just going to be gray and the background goes back to white, or text will be basically black. And so what we're going to do is add in a few lines here, and we're going to check to see if the name of our option here includes the word color. So this could say front or back color. This could say side color. This could say top and bottom color. As long as it says the word color, it will apply the styles we're about to put in there now. So what we're going to do is right below this div, we're going to open up a JavaScript notation, and we're going to check if name includes the word color. Okay, we're going to make a ternary operator a conditional. And by the way, I like to write my conditionals like this so that we see checked, is it checked? Then this, if not, then this. And that's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next line for this. If the name includes color, then we're going to put in a div, and this is going to be rounded full, which is just going to make a circle. And we're going to do a height of 6, which is, let's go width of 6, and the height and width of 6 is just 1.5 rem. Okay. And then we're going to next line, open up a style tag. And in here, we're going to set the background color to the value from this map. So the values is mapped, and basically each individual color would be one of the values. And so that will set the background color. I'm going to go ahead and close out that div. Inside of here, we're going to add a span. And I give this span a class name of screen reader only, so that if there's no color to the screen, reader will still see the value. And inside of here, we're going to go ahead and include that value. Okay. We're also going to have to change this. Now, I'll go ahead and keep going, and then I'll show what we'll need to change. So we're going to go ahead and close out this div. And finish the conditional. So we'll say if the name does not include color, then we can just have span, give it a class name of padding x2, and in here we will just include the value. Okay, so when we save this, we can see some funky stuff happening, and that is because I have not removed this value out of here. Go ahead and save that. Okay, so we have our color swatches now showing up, and these color swatches, colors are actually coming from the back end here in the Shopify store, the store admin back end, and they're coming from this color area here. And there's a way to also have these um, show the color names, but I'm not going to go into that for this video. But this is where the colors are coming from, and we can see them here, but I would prefer this outer box to also be rounded. We're going to go ahead and fix that, and that is in this div. So right now it's just rounded. We're going to add rounded full, and that's going to go ahead and fix that. And so basically, when any of the values are mapped, whatever color shows as that value is going to show up here as a color swatch now. And we can also, this size, these size options here are a little too close to this add to cart. So what I'm going to do is give this div a margin bottom of, let's try 8. Save that. And we get a little bit of separation here. Maybe go to 10. Okay, so yeah, so you can toy with this for a little bit. Really, editing the product options and the product details page is a lot of what you do as a Shopify developer, and color swatches are usually a part of that. So that will do it for this video. And in the next video, I will just sort of add in a few bonus topics about hydrogen and wrap things up from there. So I will see you in the next one.